as a beginner तो I think it's like pretty good yeah. हम तो beginning उस समय में तो like मेरा तो था ही नहीं introduction भी हमें इतना गंदा दिया था चलाया ना फिर मिस अरुणाचल में भी हम वही हिल से हम सीखा है okay it took me 4 years ठीक है 4 years it took me 4 years to like at least have that walk which I mean crowd here likes ना तो वो walk को हमें तो लेकिन लोग इतना hesitate कर रहे हैं कि शायद आपको select भी ना करें वो तो पॉइंट आपका walk में करो nervousness हो जाती है ना तो वो चीज़ को हटाना पड़ेगा एंड आपका जो लड़का she was like pretty confident मतलब भाव ही नहीं देता मतलब ऐसे ही ऐसे ही था ऐसा करके explain करेगा right तो this thing has to be now your identity ठीक है अभी वो चीज़ आपका identity होना है कि आप अपना identity कैसे बताएगा आपके सामने without even opening your mouth इसको ऐसे सिखाओ अब इसको होल्ड करने से क्या होता है ये बहुत और पीछे है पीछे वाला है तो ये शेप को एनहांस करने के लिए हाँ उसमें एक इल्यूजन पैदा कर देगी तुम्हारा क्लोज पसंद है जबकि तुम्हारा सिलेंडर होने से तुमको अंदर से जाएगा नीचे से खड़ा रहेगा नहीं नहीं So today we are here. I am at the Space Miracle Studio, and I'm here for the audition and meet and greet for Sunsilk Mega Miss Northeast 18th edition. So basically, there are a few criteria which have been changed, the eligibility and all, and then it's a good news for all the girls as well who had the potential all this time, but they never had a platform actually to showcase their potentiality. So I think this time around, I think Sunsilk Mega Miss have done a very good job, and I really appreciate their effort on bringing out a new a chance or a platform for even those girls who have height limitation, which was set all this time the standard that the fashion industry requires. So yeah, we have a very good opportunity, likewise I have said before, and then. Yeah, it's happening in Arunachal. We have few registers coming up, and then hopefully we'll have representative around this time who will actually bring the crown back to Arunachal. So the intention behind this meet and greet is basically to sit down with the girls and interact one-on-one, and also to guide them and look at the possibilities and to motivate them. Also, I think it's a dream of a small town girl to break through the set limitations of a beauty queen after the reigning, right? So we have so many other possibilities, and I think I can be a good mentor, and then I am genuinely willing to guide all those young girls, and yeah, I hope so. This is just a start, and I have a vision for a betterment for the young girls maybe in the coming days. We might have a crown coming back to our hometown. So let's be optimistic and let's cheer for our girls.